Hello and welcome guys. Today we're gonna do an update on how much I have made in dividends in May and a general overview of my portfolio, how much I'm up in the stocks, if I did buy any new stocks, and as I've said, the dividends that I have been paid in May. So starting off with my general investment account, as you can see, I currently have nearly 4.6k in it, and the profit is standing at £813 if we look at the percentage that I am up. I believe it is somewhere around here. Going to the insights, and since the 17th of May I am down 2.8%, but if we zoom out into the maximum, I am up by about 10.5%, actually spot on. And in here, time weighted rate of return 11.59%, which is similar to an ETF that is trading with the ticker VWRL, which is basically S&P 500 that also has some emerging markets. I'm not doing that bad, but as I have said, my general investment account I am moving on from into my ISA. So that's pretty much it. I only have a couple of stocks left: AT&T, ETF, AbbVie, Realty Income, and Verizon. Only Verizon and AT&T is losing as after they have announced that they will be cutting the dividends by about 40%. I believe they have announced. You can see that big dip. I was up about 5% on this position, but they have dropped down due to that announcement. I want to sell my AT&T, but for now I will keep it, as I don't want to sell it as a loser. This was actually one of the first stocks that I have bought, and I can clearly see as of now that it has been a mistake. I have based my decision off of buying it on the dividend yield, which in retrospect was not a good decision, but I was just getting into the investing and I have made one of my first mistakes, which I will talk about in another video. Top 5 mistakes that I have made when starting to trade. If we look at the dividend yields that have been paid, Realty Income on the 14th of May 1.23 pounds, AbbVie 6.01 pounds, British American Tobacco, which I don't have anymore but still have paid me dividend yield of 7.54 pounds, AT&T almost 30 pounds, and Verizon at 3.4 pounds, which you will see on the right side, and the total dividend yield that I have been paid through May, and that is all of my dividends for May in the general investment account. If we look at the ISA, which is the main one that I have, the stocks and shares ISA is a tax advantaged account, which I would recommend to you if you don't have it yet. It is much better than a general investment account, as you don't have to pay any capital gain tax or dividend income tax on the £20,000 that you invest every single year. So you can see I have £11,780 as of now, and almost £340 profit. It has been going up steadily, and that is because most of my positions are in ETFs. The top two are S&P 500 5.6k and Nasdaq 100 1.7k. If we look at S&P 500, since I've bought the stocks, it is up at £285, which is pretty solid. The only stock in this account that is down as of now, well, JP Morgan is down but 1% only, but the only one that is down more than 10% is the Global Clean Energy. I do believe in the ETF of Global Clean Energy, as it should be more of a trend in the coming years as people start to care about clean energy more and more. But I think I bought it a bit high at around £10 average price. I could have waited a bit longer. One of the companies that is the main company in this ETF is Plug Power, which is currently down quite a bit, as it was trading at a PE ratio of about 300, I believe. So yeah, it has went down from $67 down to about 20 or 30 or so, which you can see the graph is pretty similar to the ETF that I have. That's because the ETF has 10% of Plug Power as its main position. Looking at the dividends, I don't think I have been paid many dividends in this account. Realty income 1.4 pounds, global clean energy 3.2 pounds, and that is it. I have bought one share of S&P 500, and that is what I plan to do in the forthcoming months. Add small positions to my S&P 500 for now, until I get somewhat of a better understanding of the stocks that I actually want to pick. But for now, I will be mostly adding to my S&P 500. So on the right, you can see the dividends that I have been paid, as well as the total amount of money invested that I have, and the total profit as well. And that is pretty much it for this May update. Not much that have happened. I didn't invest much money, as I have been increasing my portfolio in the cryptocurrency sector. I have about 10,000 extra dollars in crypto. Pretty much just 3 tokens that I have made videos about, so you can check those out. And that is it for this video. If you guys want to open a FreeTrade account, then you can see the link down in the description. You will be rewarded with a free share when you deposit £10 and start your journey with investing. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.